This is my product of what I have. I don't know if I'm finished with it yet or if I'm going to update it in the future. I might. I don't know. I wanted to add pickups and stuff to it. I just wanted to kind of take a break from this and work on something else for a while. This one has taken up probably about 6 days, maybe 7 days all together. This is the game here. Not 100% sure if you can hear the volume on the sounds or not, but basically you just dodge the viruses as they fall out of the sky, and it slowly increases in difficulty as they're falling. I got a little boost here. You push the space button in the direction that you choose. But yeah, this is basically the whole game here. You just gotta dodge and survive, and keeps track of your score down here and up here, your highest score and current score. But it was a pretty fun game to build, kind of different from what I've done in the past. This is the first game I've released, though. So, yeah. You enjoy it.